Uni-T. Is a higher oscilloscope bandwidth always better? Not always. When you're working with fast edges, high-frequency signals, or RF-related waveforms, higher bandwidth helps capture rapid signal changes and preserves waveform shape. But in many real-world measurements such as power integrity, ripple analysis, or low-level noise, vertical resolution becomes just as important. Higher vertical resolution allows you to see small amplitude changes more clearly, making subtle details stand out instead of getting lost in noise. That's why accurate measurements aren't about a single specification. They're about choosing the right combination of bandwidth and vertical resolution for your signal. Ask Uni-T. Questions in, insight out.